So I really want to like take this project super seriously, and I want to plan accordingly the best I can for building the whole van. We want to make this really nice. We don't want to slack or cut any corners. So yeah, the way I'm going to separate these videos is into two sections. I'm going to do one for educational how-to videos, and then in the other half I'm going to be doing more like vlog style videos, still showing you guys the whole process. I want it to be a more interpersonal and authentic and raw experience of a 21-year-old and his father building out a van, and then just a title with it. And if you want to see the how-to videos to learn from what we're doing, like let's say we're building a kitchen, how to build your kitchen right here, how to install windows in the back, it's most likely going to be titled like how to before it. How to. Super excited to bring you guys along with. I'm going to make it super detailed and really just show the ins and out of everything I learned. So yeah, let me tell you the 9 phases of how we're going to do this van build. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so step 1 has to be planning and prep. Step 2, gutting and cutting. So we're going to be cutting some holes, a couple different locations. So yeah, then we have exterior mods, so roof rack, stuff like that. Alright, so step number 4, we have floors, walls, and insulation, and some sound deadening probably for the wheels and whatever. Step number 5, we have the electrical system, which is going to go all up in right here. Then number 6, we're going to do the plumbing right here. We're going to do a little water outlet thing right here, and then also for the electrical, we're going to have a shore charging thing right here. And now for number 7, we're going to do the walls, and the ceiling finish. Number 8, we're going to have the cabinetry, the bed right here, and then the storage in the garage. And number 9 is going to be the finishing touches. So we're going to be doing decoration, rugs, whatever, you know, just the finishing touches.
I mean, it might be a 3-day job if you're just going to stand around there with your finger up your ass. That's grand, I know.
Alright, let's plan it out. We're gonna have a stove right here, an induction stove.
Yeah.
And then walk in, it'll be halfway in. Beneath that, we're gonna have an oven. Probably just a small mini oven.
Okay.
You can just cook food, nothing crazy.
I like that.
And right here, we're gonna have some extra kitchen space. It's probably just wood, I don't know. And then above that, we're gonna have cabinets and then extra space. The sink's gonna be right here. Refrigerator. That's gonna be right here. I think we have it underneath the bed. A little square for it. Then we're gonna have the sides of the bed right here. We're gonna have it a fixed bed right here. We'll have some cabinets up here.
I have no idea what we're doing.
I know. The bed here, garage space, water stuff, electric stuff. Oh yeah, this side. Small desk here. And then right here, a wardrobe. Right here is where the vent's gonna be.
Oh.
Vents here. Air conditioning right here. Gonna have the pantry and wardrobe right here.
Show people how to do this shit.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Do it, man.
And then right here, we're gonna have the seating area. So you can sit here, we can swivel these around. And then we're gonna have.
Are we?
Yes.
Okay, that's the thing.
And we're gonna get a lagoon table.
Could take out these nuts.
And then finish cleaning up here. And then next steps, we're gonna take this out, clean underneath here.
Blah, 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 blah,
and blah, blah, blah. See you guys in a minute. Squeaky clean. You're not gonna help me?
Wait. We're gonna look in the corner. It looks like that's what we need to like.
Woo, you see that?
Bitch, wait.
Alright. There we go.
Don't fall back.
Look at that. 100 of these.
Dude. I don't.
All right. All these little glued spots.
Pain in the arse.
That was satisfying though.
Mm.
Now we just gotta rip these up.
Without tearing up your fingers.
But it's pretty easy.
Okay. I agree.
You can get it with just your hands or just get a tool. All right, we're gonna be using these vice grips. We're gonna start just ripping every single one of these out. After that, we're gonna super clean this and then, yeah, we'll go from there. All right, I don't think I'm gonna film this because it's very tedious and very difficult and it's gonna probably take us a long ass time. So I will let you know how we figure out how to remove all these things quick and efficiently. But as of now, they aren't too easy. Let me show you what it's like. Got a couple of them, but yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I figure it out. And all these are gone. I'm making him do all the work now. Sucker. Found a nail though.
We ain't want none of that urgent call. Llama at turban for all of my identity. Percocets for all the headaches I'm about to bring. Confetti. Tumble out this barrel soon as it ring. You ready? That was the word before we moved on them. Treat them like Jordan Plum